Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Steve from Internet City Computers in Detroit with another tip for you today. I'm going to show you how I clean LCD screens. So come on over here, I'll show you how it's done. Simple enough. Alright, so here's what I do. I've had a lot of people ask me about this. Okay, so here's what I do. A little bit of that. Nice soft rag. Just give it a few squirts. Wipe it to make sure it's not totally wet. Get in them cracks, get in them edges. Don't saturate it, just get it nice and wet and moist. And then take your dry towel and go over it, up and down. Look at it in the light so you can see if there's any streaks. And that is it. That is how I clean my LCD screens. And then I go over the keyboard just to get any coughs, sneezes, crap off them. All right. And that is it. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Alright, if you got anything out of that video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, come on back for some more Fix It Right, and until then, adios.